Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Crypto. First, you'll need to create an account and complete the identity verification process, which is crucial for security and compliance. Once verified, you can easily fund your account using several deposit methods, including bank transfers or credit cards. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the platform's intuitive interface to find your way around. Now, let's dive into buying and selling. You can purchase cryptocurrencies directly with fiat currency or by exchanging other digital assets. It's important to understand the difference between market orders, which execute immediately at the current price, versus limit orders, which allow you to set a specific price. When you're ready, selling your crypto and withdrawing funds is a straightforward process. Beyond basic trading, Binance offers various ways to grow your assets, like staking and savings programs. These can help you earn passive income on your holdings. For your security, always enable two-factor authentication. It adds a critical layer of protection to your account. For larger investments, consider exploring cold storage solutions to keep your assets offline and extra safe. To further your knowledge, make sure to check out Binance Academy, which offers a wealth of educational resources for all skill levels. If you ever encounter any issues or have questions, their customer support team is readily available to assist you. Remember, staying informed is key to successful crypto engagement. Also, life's too short for cheap socks, so check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.